Bespo. We're here to help you master the most basic and essential beauty tricks through some video tutorials. And we're lucky to have with us makeup artist Sari Campos to help us do everything. In this video, we're going to teach you how to do the perfect cat eye, which can get a little tricky at times. So Sari, before we get started, what should the girls have with them?
To achieve the perfect cat eye, all you need is a black liquid eyeliner.
Cool, alright. So let's get started then.
Okay. For a fluid line, connect the wing towards the inner corner.
Hope you guys learned how to do the perfect cat eyes. Stay tuned next week as we teach you how to do a long-lasting lippy. Bye!
Bye!